functions question here. First of all, we're told that f of x is 1 over x squared plus 1. So f of a half is going to be 1 over a half squared plus 1. Okay, if I carry on, well, a half squared is a half times a half. So if we do a half times a half, that comes, sorry, a half times a half, jumping ahead, is equal to a quarter. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4. So it's a 1 divided by a quarter plus 1. Well, that comes out as, on the bottom, 1 1/4, and 1 1/4 is the same as 5 quarters. So we're doing 1 divided by 5 quarters. Well, that's the same as 1 divided by 5 over 4. And if you divide by a fraction, it's the same as multiplying by the fraction turned upside down. And 1 times 4/5 is just 4/5. Or you might also have that as 0.8. Either will do. Okay, so we have another function here, and we're asked to find fg of x. Now remember that when we find fg of x, what it means is we don't do anything with the f, but we find out what g of x is first. Okay, so we're going to find g of x, we know, is the square root of x minus 1. Now we've got to put that into f. Now we know that f of x is 1 over x squared plus 1. So f of this is going to be 1 over this thing. So that's the square root of x minus 1, all squared plus 1. Now if we continue, if you square the square root of x minus 1, the square and the square root effectively cancel each other out, they undo each other, and we're just left with the x minus 1. And then we've got x minus 1 plus 1, so that comes out as just 1 over x, because minus 1 plus 1 is 0.